Yo, how's it going? I know yesterday I was not here because I was just tired. That's all. I'm producing a lot of content for you guys, so you can give me that, right? I don't even remember what did we do last time. I think it was like, yeah, very chill. We didn't accomplish much. Sorry, I'm just checking my messages. That's why we always end up super late. I find 10,000 things to do while I'm streaming. It should be alright. Okay, we beat the whole Win Straight family. Our family's called be as one and got beaten as one too. I think I gotta go back to heal real quick though, because they were not like super strong, but it was like 4 persons, one after the others. Today, what are we gonna accomplish? Good question, but I'm asking myself. Let's see, we're gonna go up north and see what we find there. We hope to see you again. I think first I should buy some Pokeballs. Some great balls, rather. You know, I've got great balls. Shush. Okay, get 21. That'd be great. Here I go. No, there's nothing else you can help me with, lady. I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go up north. Over here there is this thing that is Trainer Hill Entrance. Kill the hates you hot-blooded trainers. I think that's a PvP thing, so I'm not gonna go there. This rock appears to be breakable. Would you like to use Rock Smash? I would like to smash. Definitely. If you don't raise your Pokemon some more, it could be tough to keep winning up through the ranks. I've heard the Pokemon League's Elite Four far stronger than any gym leader. I hope they are. Gabby, oh, we just spotted a tough looking trainer here of all places. Okay, roll camera, let's get this interview. A battle interview, it's gonna be nice. Interviewer Gabby here, T.I. Die? Would like to battle. So he doesn't have a name, or is his name Die? Magnemite and Wishmer. Go Diavolo and Dio. Magnemite should be weak against this, while beating the shit out of Wishmer should do the trick. It's super effective for Magnemite. Fainter, Diavolo gain, Dio gain. Lucky, oh I forgot the experience share is still unlocked. Ah, it's fine. Because I don't know what strong dog. I don't think there's a strong dog type Pokemon in this game. I mean, the strong Pokemon that can learn strong dog type attacks, but you get what I mean. My eyes didn't lie. I did discover an astonishing trainer. So the dude next to her doesn't speak. Okay, noted. Like, feminism went too far. Awesome, awesome. Who are you? I knew we were onto something wild when we spotted you. Oh, please, let me explain. We travel around everywhere, interviewing all sorts of trainers. So would you give us a bit of your time for an interview? Well, sure. You will, thank you. Okay, I need you to describe your feelings about our battle, but it has to be short and sweet. Go. Let's go... No, not Pokemon. Let's go with something from battle. Come on. Easy. Yeah, it was easy. If I have to describe that battle. Yeah, that's a perfect clean up. It is. I get a feeling that this will make a great TV show. There's a chance that we'll air this on TV, so make sure to look for us. Okay? We'll be seeing you. Yeah, but you stay there. How will you be seeing me? Which... Okay, you got... it's fine. It's fine. Shouldn't you be looking... Yes. Should be looking at me. I don't know where you're going. That's what I tell ladies I'm with. You should be looking at me. I don't know, not you, because I'm the prettiest. I don't know where you're going, but would you like to battle? And that's why I'm alone. Picnica Irene would like to battle. Picnica Irene's an our Shroomish. Shit. Not the best equip. I'll try. It's fine, as long as it doesn't use like... It will use Absorb, definitely. But their speed fell. Mega Drain, not even Absorb. At level 17 you already have Mega Drain. Fucking tastic. Mudshot. It's not very effective, but their speed fell. And hopefully the next Mega Drain doesn't connect. Leech Seed. Okay, Leech Seed, if I recall right, will sap your life a little bit every turn. It's fine, I can still kill it with the next hit. It's not that much. Great. I'm gonna look at the screen in case she has more Pokemon and there's still Gross type. Piniga is about to send Mariel. Well, it's not Gross type, it's Water type, so I'm gonna change for Cars. The ultimate life force. Pink Irene and now Mariel. And I'm gonna use an Absorb on you. Absorb all your fat. Is that liposuction? And that was super effective. Cause gain 105. That's not a lot, but that's honest work. I think Puchiena evolves at level 21. Oh, you're disgustingly good. Okay, that's a way of putting it. I'm full of pep, and my Pokemon is peppy too. Camper Travis would like to battle. Camper Travis and our Sandshrew. Yeah, can do. What again? Oh, Sandshrew fainted. Gone 178. Gone 178 too. My Pokemon lost its pep, huh? Didn't it? Still not registering. The sandstorm is vicious, it's impossible to keep going. Alright. Route 111, Route 112, over there. Oh, I could skip the battle by going through the tall grass, I bet. Yep. But we're not gonna do that, that's for pussies. I'm strong, I won't cry if I lose. Didn't I read that before? Kemper Larry would like to battle. Kemper Larry is an our Nuzleaf. Shit. Oh, Nuzleaf is a strong dog type. If I recall right, he is plant, well not plant, leaf. Is it leaf? No, it's grass. Grass and dog type, and it's pretty strong, yeah. Nature Power, which turn into Swift. Everybody uses Nature Power, and it's always gonna turn into Swift. I don't know what the point is of that move. Burnt bitch. I hope you register so at some point I can fight a shift tree. Wah! Okay, you started crying like a little bitch. And you two should be looking at me. Yeah. When you're out on a picnic, why you simply have to sing? Come on, sing with me. Sing with me, sing for the years. Sing for the laughter, sing for the tears. Sing with me just for today. Maybe tomorrow the good Lord will take you away. You know, because there's a pandemic. Yeah. As long as Tilo doesn't use like Peck, and I don't think it's got like poof, wow, that's the first time I'm seeing somebody withdraw a Pokemon for a Lombre. That's smart. That's smart. Because I don't have any hard counter for Lombre. Yeah, I just thought about that. I'm still gonna have to switch because that's gonna be very dangerous. Course does have moves that are not Gross type, so it's gonna have to do. For Lombre, use Nature Power. Turn into Swift again. What a surprise! And I'm gonna use Pursuit. Note to everybody, I think I said it the other time, but Pursuit, actually, even if the opponent is switching Pokemon, it's gonna hit even though they are trying to switch. You literally or you pursue them. That's a pursue, basically. It's in the name. It's not very effective. Of course, had its energy drained. I'm gonna... Fury Cutter not gonna do much, is it? Okay. It had the sound was super effective, but it's not doing that much. It's not doing that well, rather. It's not very effective still. And of course, still had its energy drained. Oh, yeah, Fury Cutter is not very powerful, but if it hits if you get consecutive hits with it, it's gonna crit. Grew to level 22. Still a long way to go for evolution, my dude. So now Tailo, I'm gonna keep you in the fight, cause might as well. Gross is weak to flying, but you have quick attack. Yep. I started watching Pokemon Sun and Moon, because I saw that the 4th season was coming to Netflix, and I was like, 4 seasons? I was like, might as well, so I started it. And I saw that Ash's Pikachu still has quick attack. Already would have learned like extreme speed. My legs are solid from pounding up and down the mountains. I'm not going to buckle easily, friend. But I'm thinking about it. I never checked if extreme speed, because quick attack always has priority. Quick attack will hit first, but extreme speed should hit faster. I don't know if it does. I never checked. Okay, I'm gonna focus on the game right now, because anyway, there's not much talking. Another Geodude. I'm gonna do fine. So Dark is strong against normal. And Ghost too, I think. Or I think normal is not affected by Ghost. I forgot. I have to get a Dark type Pokemon. Oh, which one? I'm really trying to get a good team for Year 4. Is there something that can't be hit by Dark type? I don't remember. Ouch, my leg's cramped up. Well, you're a hiker. That should not happen. Should be more solid. Oh, my legs have cramped up. Can you grab me some bandages from my backpack? No, that's my Pokénav. Oh, fine, I'll register you. Oh my god. Lame. Ha 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 ha. How about we have a battle, you and me? Ha 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 ha. Exactly for Haze. Has. Hiker Bryce would like to battle. Hiker Bryce and Animal. I don't think we're gonna beat the gym leader today either. There's a lot of story stuff happening in between Moville and the next gym, so you know. Super effective. Numel fainted. Diavolo gain 159. Lucky gain 159 too, and Grutal level 16. I wish you could just evolve right now, so I wouldn't have to take care of that. I'm gonna go with Dio because he's fighting type too, so can't be hit that hard. I think the only Pokemon type that can be threatened by its own type of move is Dragon, right? Because for so long they didn't have any hard counter for Dragon. They do have Ice, but like that was about it. Every other type would have like 2 weaknesses, and some would not even be effective against another type. But Dragon was like, I'll fuck everything up. Why are you blocking the way? I want to take the ferry. Hey man, is our leader really going to awaken that thing? Sounds like it, yeah, but I heard we need a meteorite to do it. Now they do turn it to talk. Oh, I get it now. That's why the rest of the crew went off to Falorba. You got it. And until they come back, we're not to let anyone pass, right? Oh, ominous. A cave. Ah. It didn't take long. Normal. Waka waka. I love the sound of it, normal. I'm gonna try and not kill you because I'd like to catch you. I'm definitely not using you, but hopefully Mudshot doesn't kill you. Because water gun would. Now it does. I'm gonna switch for another Pokemon to lead. Ah, it doesn't matter. Because you can't help me much, can you, Nimble? I don't need any more strong fire type. But I know what I'm gonna do is use Bite, wait for you to attack, and hopefully it's not too strong of an attack. Timber should be fine. I barely take damage, and I'm still storing. Another Ember, hopefully you just go into yellow. I can use a Great Ball on you. Unleashed energy. You can hope. You can hope. Oh my god. It's never time for that, Nimble. Actually, I should kill it, because right now I'm just letting him lower my attack, and yeah, I have to kill it. Sorry, sweet prince. If you survive that... Yeah, you can't survive that. You're pure fire type, right? That big boulder looks ominous too, but I don't think I'm strong enough to push that. Look at me, I'm a twink. Another Numel. You know what? Let's actually give ourselves... It's alright. Hello darkness, my old friend. Double kick that bitch. Yeah, that should work. Yep, that's gonna be good. I can even use Pokeball, not even a Great Ball. Let's use Pokeball. Could at least have written the Pokeball. Yes. Gotcha. Numel was caught. Numel's data was added to Pokédex. Give a nickname to the captured Numel? No. I thought I wanted to nickname everything, but then I realized I'm not gonna have time to capture everything. It's not a speedrun. Far from it. Like, some people finish this game in like 5 hours, and I think we're past the 5 hours mark. Have a lot of views. Even these berries, I'm not gonna have time to go up and pick them back up. But I think it can help you all see that we should populate the world with trees and plants. Make it a bit greener. I know I'm a fan of living in cities, so I'm one to talk, but you know. You found 2 raspberries. I did. Oh, guys, you have to look at the same time, both of you. Oh shit. I caught hot Pokemon in the fairy path. Did you? Kindle Brian would like to battle. Sanam Numel. Waka waka. It's super effective. Because it's just a number. Well, I shouldn't mock it. I got one too, though. Slugma, you can slap my dick. Yeah, I deserve being sick right now. Wasn't very hard, was it? What a bumpy ride that was. Bumpy ride, I want a boom bam bam. Could you look? Thank you, lady. I'll run you another rebel trainer. Please, I need a romantic battle. I'm someone decent. Girl, you should hype up yourself way more than this. Arma Lady Shayla would like to battle. Arma Lady Shayla, so now Shramish. Yeah, I'll have to switch because I'm not strong enough to withstand a Mega Drain. Diavolo, that's enough. Thankfully the Paralyze didn't work. For Shramish fainted, only 61, yeah of course, because I switched Pokemon from that one. Lucky grew to level 17, trying to learn Udo Sleuth. What does that do? He gives the foe to hide and oh, might be useful in double battles against like. Might be useful. I should level up. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Puccina is a dog type. Hi, Jeremy. Puccina is a dog type, so maybe I should level it up. And then use it against Lombre, because Wallace will be using double team a lot. Yeah, Mega Drain on a fire type. It's gonna do wonders, isn't it? It's not very effective. How uncanny. Man, you survived my Ember. Feat to be reckoned. Okay, now you die. Please don't be paralyzed. Yes. For Rosalia fainted, Dio gained 292 and grew up to level 25. Lucky gained 292 too. Oh, how strong you are. You've given me quite a shock. I've got 720. Yeah, nobody's registering me. Oh. Show me how much you've toughened your Pokemon. I don't know what other word was going out of my mouth, but that wasn't toughened. Cool trainer Wilton would like to battle. Oh, when I grow up I want to be Wilton. He's so cool. Go Diavolo. Perfect matchup again. Just using Mudshot. See, Diavolo is a perfect matchup against an electric type because being water, which is weak to electricity, but ground, which is immune. So your hit won't even hit because I'm immune. But against a grass type, it's going to be 4 times as vulnerable because both ground and water are weak against grass. I'm so into Pokemon, but once I've watched a like 20-minute video talking about how all weaknesses, type weaknesses, make sense. Such a freaking nerd. But nothing happened. Still need to find a proper water Pokemon in Pokémon. Well, you can catch the starters. All the starters can be found in the wild in Pokémon. Just ask them. I remember where to get the Mudkip in Gen 3 or when, but for the others I don't quite remember. Shit. You'll have to take it, cause Cool Trainer Wilton is very much prepared. So yeah, just ask around in the chat and you'll get one. Cause use Pursuit. It's not very effective. For Makuhita, use. Ask in the global chat and somebody will just tell you on which route. Just tell them, because they don't know which version you're playing, right? If you're in Kanto, just tell them you're in Kanto. Where do you find Squirtle? Shit! Where to... oh shit! I should have used Absorb. I'm sorry, Sweet Prince. Please, use a move. Nope. I was very dumb from me. Very dumb. Hopefully with a Mudshot I can one-shot. This water gun I don't think would be doing the trick. Yes, yes. So yeah, just let them know, just ask where to find his creator, which route. That's basically the question. Hey, you defeated cool trainer Wilton. I see you've toughened them considerably. Odds got 816. Pushing rivals at level 18, not 21. Thanks fuck. Dun 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 dun. Once I get fly, I'm gonna let Puccina in the daycare so it can gain some levels. At the moment, Slackoff is there. Slackoff could be very useful against the ghost type Elite 4. Forgot her name. Second one. There is much to be learned from your training style. I request very much if it behooves you. How old are you, my man? Yes, I'm good with him registering me because he's pretty strong, so... What's that? What am I doing? I'm thinking about making my own room here using a Pokémon move. I know, I'll give you this TM. Will you use it to make your own room? Okay, I will. As put it at TM43, find a big tree that looks like it might drop some vine. Use secret power in front of the tree. Some vines should get free and drop down so you can climb the tree. You'll find a lot of space for putting your favorite things. It'll be your own secret room, a secret base. You should make one too. Another thing, you don't always have to make your secret base in a tree. Try using secret power and rock walls that have small indents in them. I'm going to look for other places too. Okay, bye! So nice of you. I can cut this. This tree looks like it can be cut down. Would you like to cut it? Linkadayos cat. Still thinking about what can my final team be. Old ladies, rest up. Come in and rest your tired bones. That's so nice of you. And totally doesn't sound like a witch or something. Oh, the TV is on. In search of trainers, Gabby, hi. Today I'm visiting an area near Route 111. We're trying to spot some up-and-coming new talent in the field. Today we turn our lens on the trainer ads. There's something about this trainer that piqued our interest. The best way to determine how strong a trainer is, well, the fastest way is to battle. And so we began our investigation. That's how we ended up in battle with Ads. In a dominating performance, we were flattened, rolled up, and tossed aside. Ads is ruthlessly strong. Here's our impressions after having battled our featured trainer. I lost confidence in myself as a result of our encounter. We were beaten before we could launch a single attack. Oh, Sneevil. In spite of that, Ads battles are worth saying. I recommend confident trainers to challenge Ads. Oh my god, they're bringing more... After our battle, we asked Ads for his succinct summary. The trainer replied, easy. That was easy. Ads Pokemon Marshtomp and Combat Scan, and easy. That's deep. There's deep significance behind that quote. It's no surprise a good trainer has good things to say. That's all for today. See you again on our next broadcast. Oh dear, aren't your Pokemon exhausted? Yeah, one fainted. If you like, rest up here. That's a fine idea. You should do that. That rhyme. That's right. Take your time and rest up. That didn't rhyme. Oh dear, are your Pokemon still tired? Yeah, if you don't click on B, you'll go into a loop of sleeping there. And basically, that reassures me, because this feels like it's your grandma in the Pokemon game. She'll force you to sleep. Oh, can go there. Phew. Yeah, you need the Mac bag to be able to drive up hills like this. Okay. To train myself, I challenge all whom I meet. Black Belt Daisuke would like to battle. Wow, for all these European names, having one Japanese one is very unsettling. And his matchup is not too bad, not poorly leveled. If I could ask for one thing from Pokemon games, it would be more diversity. The trainers you meet along the way all have a combination of like the dog, a Geodude, the bird, pretty much that's it. That's the combination. And anything that you would find close to where you are. So that bums me out that we don't have more diversity. My god, he's such a SJW, he wants diversity. I watered the plants every day, they grew lots of flowers and they gave me lots of berries too. Here you go, you can have it. Obtain the raspberry. As we do with a raspberry, I'm going to try really hard and make berries in different colors. I hope you try hard too. I will, young lady. You found 3 raspberries, do you want to? Okay, that's where you found them. I'm gonna plant more though. Don't worry, I'm gonna plant more. Don't know, I'm saying that I just want to breeze through this game, but then I try and yes, Jeremy, I'm checking my phone. Oh, that's so nice of you. That's a real brother. Having my stream on one side and playing Pokemon actually on the other. You got your Pidgeotto. Or are you trying to catch them all in your game? Because you technically can. I think there's still a way to get the legendaries, but it's just a bit different. And you can't enter them in competitive matches, of course, but like, are you gonna try and catch everything? Because you should. You gotta catch them all. Makes the experience something. Oh, run berries. I was thinking that I didn't have. You know what? I should start giving berries to my Pokemon. Maybe that's why I'm kind of fucking up, ain't I? Should give them some. Only the ones you like. Yeah, you should. You should get the ones like that you think are worth. Fuck Zubat. Zubat. The Ratata of the sky. No, the Ratata of the caves. Pidgeots are... But you can't call Pidgeot a Ratata. A rat, kind of. You know, the joke is pigeons, the rats of the sky. Rats, the pigeons of the earth. You wouldn't call Pidgeot a rat because it's a nice Pokemon. The first bird Pokemon, bird type Pokemon. It was like, for me it's very nostalgic. Pidgeot is the original bird. Oh, your Pokemon look like serious actors. Plus I watched Pokemon the movie, you know Mewtwo? And you see Ash flying on his, no, not Ash, another trainer flying on this huge Pidgeot. And you're like, that's how big they are? I have to ask you for an engagement. Well, a lot of people ask me. Yeah, Pidgeotto looks sick. Plus when he like becomes Pidgeotto and he gets that, you know, fuckboy haircut. There's no other way of describing that. That's a fuckboy haircut. I don't think I can do much with you against... Oh, she's a bird type trainer. So I guess she's only gonna have a combination of flying and something Pokemons. Yeah, once I'm done with this live, what I do is immediately take off my shirt because I'm dying, and then I head to bed. And well, I turn off the lights and turn off everything. Yeah, of course. I head to bed. I turn on the PS4, which is hooked to the TV. That's how I use Netflix. I want to scratch my eyes so bad. Don't. And I turn on Netflix and I directly go to Pokemon Sun and Moon. That's my life now. Jesus, that did a lot of damage. And that's a lot of damage. Oh my god, I forgot to give them the berries. I'm really, really dumb. Hey, Bulbasaur is a very nice choice. Bulbasaur, like, again, I watch these videos about what's the best starter for every generation. You know what? Bulbasaur till today, I mean, till today that is Sword and Shield, is still viable. You can still use Bulbasaur, well, not Bulbasaur, it will be Venusaur, right? And it's the best starter from Gen 1. Charizard is the dragon, but the best starter is Bulbasaur. It definitely is. It's proven that it is. So you made the right choice. But as I'm telling you, you can get the three of them. Get the three of them. Because like they're reliable. So sorry, they're reliable. So I'm definitely well. When I'll be playing, I think I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna get the ones I like, the ones I find look good, and I know have good stats. I'm gonna get the Pokemon I like. I'm gonna take your route because it's more logical. I don't have all the time on Earth to try and catch everything either. Finally beat one of her Pokemon. She's switching them, right? I didn't pay attention. Oh, I should take off that thing from... I should take off that experience share from Lucky. I forget all these things. And you know, in life I'm like that. Look, for example, Monster Hunter. When I'm on a hunt and I realize that there's something in my items or even my weapon that I should drop next time or I should pick something up, I say that while I'm doing it, I keep on doing what I'm doing, I complete it, and once I'm back to the hub, so at the moment it's Celiana, I forget it completely, and I go on another hunt, and I realize again that I... So No! Oh my god! snapped off, thanks fuck. Let me guess, her third Pokemon is a Skarmory. Skarmory, cool design, cool concept, bad stats, kinda sad. Numel, okay. At least that's a gift, finally. Cool trainer Brooks and I'm Numel. Use water again. Already 36 minutes, and I know that the next town I'm hitting doesn't have a gym, so will I have to go back to that lady and get healed up? I hope she registers me too. Yes, I wish I could become friends with more strong people like you. So you don't really have a choice of being her friend, she just like abducted you. Hello, it's Amy. I challenged someone else after we battled. I came close, but I ended up losing. Oh well. Yes, I forgot that I had to do something, didn't I? Gonna take that off you. No. Item. Take. Receive that. Should I give that to you meanwhile? Just try to let everybody... Decisions. Ninkada. It's not worth it. Could give it to Numel, but... I'm definitely not using Numel. Oh dear, aren't you over? Yeah, I know, lady. Oh, I mean, thank you, Grandma. That's so nice of you. No, I'm not gonna take another rest, else I'm gonna end up sleeping forever. I once did that like 3 times in a row because I didn't realize I was just pushing A. Another of my problems. Another thing I forgot to do is give them berries. Heals paralysis. I'm gonna give that to Dio because that's twice now that I'm seeing him paralyzed. Pesha heals poisoning. I'm gonna give that to Cass because he's weak against poison. Miracle Seed, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Rose heals a burn. Nah, not gonna happen. Restores 10 PP, 10 HP. Only 10 HP. Well, I can still give it to Diablo. We'll see. Oh, that's Route 113. Okay, that's not what I was looking for. Spinda. Doesn't evolve. While Spinda fainted. 182. Shit. Yeah, I remember how to get that Pokeball. While Spinda appeared. Actually, I'm gonna kill everything. I'm not even running. If it's not Zubat and Rattata, we don't have a Rattata in that game, so that's good. If it's not these two, I'm gonna kill everything. It's a good experience. I have to go at least level 55 for each Pokemon when I see the Elite Four. It's fun walking through the volcano's ashes on the ground and grass. You can see where you walked. It's really neat. That's great. While Spinda appeared, go Diavolo. Kill it, Diavolo. Yep, that's what I thought. While Spinda fainted. That's found one Ether. Put it with an Ether. Okay, that's a triple battle? Then doesn't exist. Were you maybe in the middle of gathering volcanic ashes? Well, I wasn't. Thanks for finding me, but we still have to battle. I wasn't looking to find you. Kemper Lawrence and Ninja Boy Lung want to battle. Kemper Lawrence and Albalto. Imagine that ninja was named Brian. Go Diavolo and Dio. Not an excellent matchup, but can work with that. Water gun and Baltoy. Baltoy is a pretty strong, becomes Claydol, which is a very strong psychic type, but I don't know, I'll see. Still thinking about my team. Central. I don't. Yeah, another thing I'd like for trainers. Some trainers do have it, but diversity in their team. Like they won't have like 4 ground type, 4 water type. Shit, smog. And it's not the one I gave the anti-poison thingy to. Dio is hurt by poison. No. Well, I'm gonna use Ember, I guess, until I learn Flamethrower, which I can't wait to buy already. Care about human, my internet is still. Mind you, I'm still on Wi-Fi, like something that I hope doesn't sound too rich or pretentious. I'm not the family dude from Parasite, but I made I bought enough Wi-Fi repeaters so that wherever I'd go in the house, I would have Wi-Fi. I said Wi-Fi and then Wi-Fi. And so everywhere I go, I get Wi-Fi, and the one next to my room is the strongest. And it's trash. It's still trash. I got a 50 megabytes connection, but it's trash. I mean, I can use internet, but it should not be lagging that much. Okay, but now, you know, the cable is underwater. Can't Mighty fix that? You don't risk getting corona in the water, do you? I'll use my ninjutsu on you. Volcanic Ash will swirl cloak. Kagebench? What? It's already over? Yeah, that's a bit late for that. You want to battle with me, even though I just caught my Pokemon? You want to battle with me, even you just caught your Pokemon. Oh my god. Is that a furry? Pokemaniac Wyatt would like to battle. It's not a furry, it's a dinosaur, right? So it would be a scaly. Okay. Aaron is still tied, so I don't have anything particularly strong against it. Even though that Mudshot worked. You always know that a good splash of semen will catch Aquaruna. What happened to you, dude? I went to the seas. I went to Flick on Flack. I got Verona. Another Aaron. I know you're poisoned, but please, pretty please, fight that one out for me. Pokemaniac Wyatt's another Aaron. Aaron is also one of my favorite Pokemon. Ooh, that's pretty potent. Dio. Oof, thanks a lot. For Aaron, player defeated Pokemaniac Wyatt. You're all happy to win, even though it's only me. It's good money too. Aaron. Which one takes off poison? Pesha. Dio was cured of its poison. You have to go very slow when you're using a controller, because the GBA didn't cater for Game Boy Advance, didn't cater for a analog stick. Wild Spin that appeared, go Diavolo. Oh shit, I said I'm gonna kill them all. 44 minutes now. Yeah, we're not gonna do anything very productive today, but you know, we went further than shit. Well, not shit. Can you guess why it's so cool around here? Why it's so cool? I would say it's pretty hot because you look like you're next to a volcano. Youngster Jalen would like to bat. Jalen, who knows where kid that? Trapinch. I need a Trapinch. I need a Trapinch. I want a Trapinch. Trapinch becomes Flygon. Best dragon type Pokemon. Even better than Rayquaza. One of the best designs. Anything else I can fight? Nope. Anything else as if I'm talking about objects. Wow. I'm just talking about women, come on. Don't clip that. Why did I use Foresight? Diavolo identify well. I forgot what Foresight did. I thought that wasn't Dark. But then I remember it's Future Sight, the attack. It's Kadabra that learns that. Shit. still miss not having gotten Batabra. It's gonna follow me for eternity until I die. Diavolo. Okay, another fight here. Advantage double battle. I use this parasol to ward off this filthy, yucky volcanic ash from my dear Nummel. Another thing you could do, lady, would be move. Parasol Lady Madeline would like to battle. Parasol Lady Madeline and our Nummel. Diavolo used water gun. For Nummel fainted. Diavolo gained 357. Huff huff, I'm exhausted. It was only one turn. Here, slide under my parasol. Ooh, let me register you in my Pokemon. You know I'm like 10. I don't mind, but I'm like 10. Oh, ads, hi there, this is Maria. How are your Pokemon holding up? Mine just won a battle. My dojo was spectacular, I must say. I wish I could have shown you. See you again. I have to check where these people calling me back are, so I can just go and... Camera is frozen. Let me check real quick. Error starting during efficiency. Shit, I should have charged. Oh, it's not that I should have charged, it's that I... Give me a second. I think you can still hear me. I'm gonna do something. I'm using the spare battery, which is way weaker, if we can call that. Why, I should have switched for the regular one. Good. If you can still hear me, means that I'm wasting my microphone on this. I could keep it turned off, so it really means what you said the other day. It's actually my... What is it, my... what is it? What? It's not on. Okay. It's actually my thingy. My thing. Oh my god, my headsets. Wow, words. Do you speak them, motherfucker? I'm trying to reset my camera. Give me a second. Okay, I guess live will go for like 1 hour and 5 minutes. Your fucking earphones, mate. Yes, my fucking earphones. I was like, what do you call this thing? What do you call this mysterious thing? Give me 2 minutes to restart the digicam so it can detect that again. And I can just reset my camera. Oh, you can hear the Pokemon around there when you stand there for a bit. Wow. 1 more second, I'm just gonna catch that. I really need to get that webcam. I can't wait. Nope, that's the right screen. Sorry, I'm gonna get something on the screen for a second. That's not the right thing. Okay, found it. Now I'm just gonna resize so you can just pinch on my bald head. Wow, I'm as fast as a boomer. Jesus. Should be good. Your fucking earphones, mate. Tia, both of us, we collect ashes. We battle Pokemon too. Good for you. Twins Tori and Tia would like to battle All Bueno. Muy bien. Well, it's muy bien. Muy bien is for Portuguese, right? Tudo bem. See, I'm stupid in 4 languages. Diavolo used my shot for spin that Diavolo gained, Dio gained, everybody gained. No pain, no gained. It's super effective, hit 1 times. For spin that fainted, Diavolo gained 172, Dio gained 170. Dio grew to level 26. We couldn't win, it's boring, so I'm getting some more ashes. Well, me winning everything is getting boring. Should lose more often, shouldn't I? Okay, I'm gonna make the live 1 hour and 15 minutes, I'm sorry. Wow, spectacular spin there. You deserve a Pokeball. I'm glad you accepted the Pokeball. It's a beautiful reward, isn't it? Being in my party. Fun fact, all the Spinda, you see these swirls on their body? Not the eyes, not the swirls, sorry, the orange-ish marks. It's fun to blow a glass flute, it's fun to blow a lot of things. Flute while my boss is talking. Well, so every Spinda has a different one. There's like not infinite, like I think it's like 600 combinations for these swirls of their body. You say, yeah, so there are very little chances that you are gonna find someone with the same Spinda, with the same pattern, or that you yourself catch 2 Spindas with the same patterns. You say, yes, covered in volcanic ash, Huffpuff. I'm specially gifted, Huffpuff. I make glass out of volcanic ash and make items, Huffpuff. Go collect ashes with Huffpuff. This is all of you smokers talking to me. You Huffpuff after every 2 words. I got the suit sack. Just take the suit sack and walk through piles of ash. Huffpuff, and it will fill up with volcanic. I'm done. Once you think you've collected a good amount, come see me. Alright, Mr. Smoker. Oh, mad lord, you nerd. I am a nerd. I am a nerd. But the attention to detail that Game Freak has sometimes. From out of the ashes, I leap. Hiya! I challenge thee. Ninja Kid Brian? Is that you? Brian is one of the most basic names ever. Lao! Impressed. Very impressed. Good going, Game Freak. Definitely Diavolo is gonna be the next Pokemon evolving. I'm overpowering him compared to everyone else. 414, that's not bad. Another coughing. Coughing, the lung cancer Pokemon. That's another one for you smokers. Please don't be poisoned. Should be good. This thing works better than Toxic. I'm not talking about the one from Britney Spears. It's Britney, bitch. Every time you say a name, you are contractually obligated to say it's Britney, bitch. Sorry, I'm still gonna go with Diavolo because that's a definite shit. Hurt by poison again. We're soon gonna be there. We're soon gonna get a Pokemon Center, so that was a one hit. Good. I'm legit Britney. I'm legit Britney from, like, you know, leave Britney alone. Oh, how I miss these times. Everything was simpler. With Honor, I admit defeat. I miss these times. We are. Witness the ancient ninja technique of Pokemon registration. It's Britney, bitch. Shit. That's funny. TM32 double team. Double team, what we call in the business. I'm not gonna say what we call it. Another Spinda. Should we run? We never run. Just that's what we do. It's on our blood. Our blue blood. Blue blood, either you're talking about cops or white nationalists. So I should take back that comment. Dude, wanna fight? The volcano's eruption is proof that the Earth is alive. Well, that, Corona, a lot of things are proof that the Earth is alive. Youngster Dylan would like to battle. Yeah, you look like a Dylan. Go Diavolo. Mud shot. It's super effective. 390. It's pretty good. You're some kind of strong. That's how you put it. Let's found one hyper potion. Let's put away a hyper potion. Okay. Oh shit, again, I wanted to have a double battle. With his wings I can flick you away. By the way, the US is so screwed. They are so screwed. They had so much time to prepare and now they're the most infected country on earth. Because they're led by a dingus. I still can't believe that people voted for that. And you would talk to these, yeah, I'm dumb. Talking about the dingus and then I use a ground type move on a fly. Shit. Well, for once the Ranberry is gonna be useful. Hurt by poison, shit. I should switch, should I not? But I'm gonna keep going. They're so screwed, this orange idiot. Oh my god, I can't believe how people can just, like, look the other way with him. It doesn't make sense. Thanks. Which video is that I say that thing? Of course, Bhojpuri. It's not in the latest one. In which video do I say that? I forgot. I really forgot. I'm in a pickle right now because all my Pokemon are weak. They're expecting 100 to 200k death as a best case. Yeah, he said that. That's being very optimistic because he's still not taking the measures. So I'm not seeing that. The numbers are going to be big. You like saying it, right? The numbers are going to be big. That's the USA for you, right? Winning. Oh shit. Okay, Cost is going to die. Always winning, right? The US. Well, see now. Oof, unless you did a bit of damage. It's gonna be a lot what they're gonna... So dumb! Plus he wanted to open again for Easter, right? Shit, I even died to quick attack. Come on, Chaos. Let's go, Dio. You're not paralyzed or anything, so... Hopefully you can hit first and double team. If I start talking about the US, I will never end, because like... This country fascinates me. To me the US is like the prodigal child of the world. It's... Everybody counts on them. Yeah, Trump said it's a hoax and then that he knew from the start. That's what I like best. He said at the start that it was nothing and right after that he was like, I was the first one, I can't do his voice. I was the first one who, I can't do his voice. He basically just said, I was the first one who saw that coming. I knew it was gonna be a pandemic before anybody else would. You piece of shit. He just spins everything around and I don't get it how people can keep following him, can keep... And what that makes me think about is, I shared that meme earlier, and you liked it, Johnny, actually, that believers waiting for scientists to find a cure so they can claim that it was God. People, his supporters are like that. They wait for things to settle down, and then they say, yeah, Trump did it. He does that too. He got them to believe that, but his supporters totally do that, and I'm just like, this is a dream, I'm sure of it. I just can't. The world is fucked with him as one of with him as the leader of the free world. I hope that by December, rather November, the rest of the country will have kicked that bitch ass out because it's just terrible for the whole world. Thank you for waiting. We restore your Pokemon to full health. I hope to see you again. Why are you using my PC? Oh, hello, you are. Okay, your name's Ads. I can see that you're a trainer, so that means you use a Pokemon storage system I developed. Oh! How I arrive at that conclusion is a simple deductive process. You spoke to me because you wanted to access something on this PC. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm Lanet. Honestly, I'm glad to meet you. It's great you're using the storage system. If you could please visit me at my home, my house is on Route 114. That's just there, right? As boot up a PC. What should I... Should I deposit normal? I'm gonna store you and... Yeah, there's no one I want to withdraw from the bunch. Nah. Oh yeah, another one I forgot to mention. There's the dog, there's the bird, and there's the HM slave. Zigzagoon, the HM slave. Because actually, Linoon is a nice Pokemon, nice design, nice concept, but it's not gonna be good enough, right? While Hyena is a good dog type Pokemon. So, and even Lombre, you would think that it's like the water type HM slave, but actually it's good. Lombre is good. Prof Cosmo went off to meet your Falls on Route 114 with some people from Team Magma. Are you working for Team Magma now? Prof Cosmo? 15 more minutes, guys. Sorry, I went a bit longer. Fossil Maniac's house. Fossils gratefully accepted. Okay. My big brother is a fossil maniac. He's a nice guy who loves fossils. He loves digging holes too. He dug his hole by himself. You can have this so you can dig holes just like my big brother. Obtain the TM28. Oh, sorry. If you don't have an escape rope, you can use TM28 to... No, you can use a bicycle. You can't use a bicycle there. You can use TM28 so that you dig your way back up. On the Fossil Maniac, do you want a fossil? But the fossils around this spot all belong to me. Known for you. If you can't bear to go without a fossil, look in a desert where there are boulders and sand that may hide fossils. Such a dick. Wow. That's why goddamn virgin. Pussy. Why am I getting so mad? Oh, getting fight. I like to fish, but I also like to battle. If anyone challenges me, I'm there, even if I'm fishing. There's a Pokemon I should try and catch here. Yes, there is one. Fisherman Nolan would like to battle. Fisherman Nolan sent out Barbark. Not Barbark, that's not the one I want to catch. But it is a water and ground type too, if I recall right. A water and electric? I think water electric. I like to battle, but that doesn't mean I'm good at it. Asgard 760 for winning. I like to battle, but doesn't mean I'm good at it. Let me use my all rod. Oh my god, I'm gonna get like magic up. Pokemon's on a hook. Please be cold fish. I don't think I can catch a cold fish with that rod. All rod. The old rod. Gonna try that later. All my Pokemon does is roar. No one dares to come near me. Sai, if you will please take this TM away. Obtain the TM05. As with the TM05 items pocket, TM05 contains roar. A roar sends Pokemon scurrying. That's great. Double battle at last. I landed a big one, a huge one, I tell you. Me, I'm not just a pretty face. I never said you were. Just that. Fisherman K and Picnic at Charlotte want to battle. Barbork and Nuzleaf. Good combo, I guess, yes. Because I got Diavolo and Dio. Shit, and I had to miss that one. Nuzleaf fainted, but that's good XP. Mud support. Electricity's power was weakened. So I guess you become a ground type, water ground. but still get one-shotted by a ground type. Diavolo grew to level 31, we're on the right track, takedown. DT move to make room for takedown fun. Negate the foe's right and evasiveness. The foresight is fine, but I want that takedown. I'm gonna replace bite because bite is riskier than takedown. You take damage when you use takedown, but when you use bite, you're sure you're taking damage. Because that's a concept. You let them hit you so you can hit back. That's a counter. Not really a counter, because there is a move counter in this game. What was that about? Did mine lose in size? Okay. I wasn't cute in the least. Sad. Maybe you really ain't that cute then. Let's found one energy powder. Let's put it with the energy powder. That rod. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I can't swim. If we were fishing, you wouldn't stand a chance against me, so bring on your Pokémon. Fisherman Claude would like to battle Claude. How old are you, my nigga? Poof, and I'm not even gonna miss a takedown. Didn't it have like 100 accuracy? Dead. Recoil of... I didn't see, but I think like 5 hit points. Goldeen. Why is it to switch? Goldeen is not a Pokemon I want to catch here either. Wow. Well, actually I need a better move than Absorb. Supersonic failed. Good. And let me guess, your third Pokemon is gonna be Barbork. Yeah? See, I can read the future. I too can start a video on Facebook and claim that I predict Corona. Every other cunt is doing. I was super effective and I hope I can level up with this. Yes, I can. 23, wow, that's a long way to go. Screech lowers defense. Sharply lowers defense. Poof, 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 poof. I can't take out Absorb as long as I don't. I'm sorry, but no. Player defeated. So again, I'm having a team with only attacking moves. I really learned from my lessons. Well, I don't have to learn from anything because it's not as if I was losing because of that. Could you turn and look at me? I need to exercise after a meal. Let's have a match. Picnic and Nancy would like to battle. Picnic and Nancy, so now Mariel. Okay, another takedown. Blue Pikachu looking ass motherfucker. Okay, that takedown was... recoil was pretty big in this one. Lombre. Okay, course can do a job for that. Yeah, course will do just fine. I don't think Absorb is gonna do much. 2 hit points. Lombre fainted. 5-4, 3 for a Lombre, that's pretty good. Oh no. Don't wanna register me or something? Ain't I strong enough for you? All I can say is please don't die. Please don't die. Yes. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna use a great ball. I'm even gonna mash. Yes. Good. And I'm gonna give you a nickname. This one is gonna be a bit on the nose, but you're gonna be Cloud. I love using the berry crush machine, so I'm collecting berries. I'll share one with you if you like. Thank you, the peanut berry. You should try the berry crush machine with your friends. Will do. Lanet's house. Let's pay her a visit. She was so nice. Lanet, oh what? I'm sorry, everything is so clustered. When I get engrossed in research, things end up this way. It's embarrassing. Please keep this a secret in exchange for this. Obtain the Lota doll. Thank you, but I'm not that type of guy. May I offer advice about my Pokemon storage system? You should organize your boxes so you can tell which Pokemon are in them. I remember when I was full on Emerald my first time around. I should have named Jagatpal. No, I have to look. Jagatpal is for which one is a really dumb Pokemon? Mr. Mime. Mr. Mime, sorry. Mr. Mime. It should be for Mr. Mime. Who taught you about Pokemon? Wow, that's something you ask people. Kind of rude. Senior and Junior, Tyra and Ivy's and our Rosalie and Graveler. Good matchup? But for real, I want to play Sun and Moon and even Sword and Shield now. What an amazing battle style. Camping's fun, you can fish, roast marshmallows, and tell spooky stories, but the best of all are the Pokemon battles. I agree with you, I hope you register me right after that. You're a pretty nice dude, you sound like a pretty nice dude. Camper Shane would like to battle. Camper Shane's an our Centro. It's already 1 hour 15 past 1. I'm gonna end in a few minutes. Bear with me, guys. So Centro, Diavolo gain 358. Senna's lives should. That's a good diversity of team. Got a got a ground type followed by a dog and thingy and grass type. So I don't think Nuzleaf is already a dog type. I think only Shiftry is. Shiftry is literally a scarecrow. If I recall right, Shiftry is more than a scarecrow. It was like a legion of something that used to steal children at night. And the more you learn. Put away the Carbos. Oof, 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 oof. Want to battle against my Pokemon? Another nerd. Another nerd. Another Scaly. And you got a Naron. Diavolo use Mud Shot. Why am I getting a text? Yeah, unimportant. Sorry. Diavolo gain 390. Okay, Maniac. My Pokemon! Is that how you talk to ladies? My penis is full. Don't forget what you've done to me. I'll make it so you can't forget. Oh my god, he took my number. The nerd took my number. I shouldn't call anyone nerd, right? Not me. Swablu. I already have a Swablu. I'm just gonna, sorry, not kill it. I'm gonna feint it just so I can gain that XP, because I'm pretty sure Swablu gives out good XP. Swablu is also becomes one of my favorite Pokemon. But hopefully 158 one was not much. I should spare Swablus. This rock appears to be breakable. I kind of feel like I could play on forever because, you know, bad game. I think my OBS disconnected, which should be back on now. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's back on. Well, on this note of this thing just cutting off, let me just see what's over there. Nothing. Nothing. On this note, for once I'm not gonna finish. I'm not gonna finish. Wow. See, I'm really becoming the Johnny Sins of Mauritius. On this note, I'm not gonna end this live in the Pokemon Center hitting on my Pokemon, but on this mountain, and I'm gonna keep on going to the mountain after that tomorrow. But thanks for having been with me, and I'll be seeing you very soon, hopefully, tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna be tired. I just think I'm gonna take 1 day off per week. That would make sense. But thanks for having English. Do you speak it, motherfucker? Thanks for having been with me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.